Now what if I told you that in the middle of this prairie there was a mountain? Now what if I told you that mountain was air conditioned? Oh yeah, and this you have to see to believe. We're headed to Boulder Adventure Park, one piece of the 170 acres of entertainment known as Epic Central, with restaurants, playgrounds, and even an indoor water park. But Boulder is a full-on summer camp all to itself. And this is owner and mountain mover, Paul Fontanelli. There's a mountain behind me. What is going on in here?
Welcome to Boulder Adventure Park. Adventure as high as you can take it.
This is the stuff they do like in Switzerland, in Italy does these?
Yes, I traveled all around the country and found the coolest stuff and packaged it all here at Boulder.
See, so you didn't have to wait for the mountain to sort of tell you what to do. You just built the mountain.
That's right.
Oh,
all
impressive.
ages can come out here and have an
Very
awesome
impressive.
time.
He ain't lying. There are ropes courses and activities for every level. But the real showstopper is the giant mountain in the middle.
Technically, it's called Via Ferrata, which we call it the mountain experience. So you clip into the cable, you follow this trail through caves and tunnels all around the mountains we've got here. Kids as young as 3, 4 years old, up to my dad loves to say he holds the record for the oldest person on the mountain experience at 77. And the biggest, the boldest thing you can do is jumping off the top of the arch on our freefall experience.
Okay, we may have to work up to that. I don't even have to work up to that one. Let's start with the basic experience. If you can call anything around here basic. And luckily, we do get our own mountain goat guide, Brandon.
There we go.
My life is in your hands.
Oh, man, don't tell me that. Don't tell me that.
Hey, you signed up for it. I know this mountain's fake, but it does not feel fake. I didn't see this path because it really doesn't exist. It's just a bunch of little foot stompers in the wall. Next up, we have the Bridge of Peril. In my mind, I'm 20,000 more feet up and there's a pit of crocodiles underneath me. Via Ferrata is Italian for iron path. And I hope this path is as solid as iron hanging off this wall. To call a cable a bridge is a stretch. I'm not so sure this is a real bridge. I'm amazed this isn't real rock. I think this is actually a mountain. So I'm about 50 feet up in the air, and this is what I have to cross. Don't look down. Don't look down. Who says we don't have mountains in Texas? I mean, come on, we got indoor mountains in Texas.
Yeah, we've got air-conditioned mountains in Texas.
Like a true professional, Greg is climbing with his audio gear and his headphones over his helmet.
I can't hear without them.
Oh, Greg, stop it. Look, I keep trying to take my hands off. It's not working. Easy does it, bro. Easy does it. We made it to the top. And I gotta say, the mountain may be fake, but the nervous butterflies are real. Greg, watch out! You're about to fall! I feel like a jello jiggler over here. Definitely way more intense than I expected. A lot more fun than I expected too, because you're locked in the whole time. There's no fall risk. It's all in your head. You just gotta be brave and get through it. Feet back on the ground. That actually feels really good. Speaking of things you don't find indoors, how about a sledding hill?
All right, race you to the bottom.
Already?
Oh my God! I did not expect that at all. Dude, I caught air.
Now I understand why they were greasing the bottom of the tube.
That was pretty good, but I want to go up top now.
Dude, I don't think we need to. I mean, we've done a bunch of stuff today.
Listen.
It's a good day. Right there. It's calling your name.
I'll lead the way.
We got to get harnessed back up and just do it. Hey, fine.
You know that question, what would you do if your friends told you to jump off a cliff? I guess now I know my answer. But at least I'm not alone.
All right, Chet, you're the 5% now. We're
I
here.
can't believe y'all got me back up here. How often do you do this, Brandon?
I do this every day.
You jump off this thing every day?
Every day.
Why?
Hey, why not? Why not?
Keep on tripping, y'all. And vaya con Dios. Ah! Vaya con Dios. Whether you come to climb, zip, soar, or sled, Boulder Adventure Park is a full-throttle, feet off the ground kind of experience that'll leave you grinning from helmet to toe. To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com.